Welcome to HUD6 channel. In this video, we will look into conservation. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Husbandry, which means management and conservation of resources. Husbandry. For example, they have gained some reward from the careful husbandry of their slender resources. Number 2. Preservation, which means the action of preserving something. Preservation. For example, waste tar was used in wood preservation. Number 3. Protection, which means the action of protecting, or the state of being protected. Protection. For example, he remains in hiding under the protection of the United States. Number 4. Maintenance, which means the process of preserving a condition or situation or the state of being preserved. Maintenance. For example, the maintenance of law and order. Number 5. Upkeep, which means the process of keeping something in good condition. Upkeep. For example, we will be responsible for the upkeep of the access road. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.